Welcome back to my kitchen for Wellness Wednesday. I'm Brittany, your Stop and Shop dietitian, and today I'm going to show you how to make a blended turkey burger, and it takes just 5 ingredients. This blended burger method has a ton of benefits. You add more veggies to your plate, cut back on saturated fat and calories, it's more sustainable, plus it saves you money. So today I'll be using some chopped up mushrooms, 99% lean ground turkey, some olive oil for sauteing, and a little bit of salt for flavor. In addition to using mushrooms to make this recipe more affordable, every product that I've used today is a Stop and Shop store brand. This is another great way to save money. The first step is to prepare your mushrooms. I have some pre-chopped mushrooms here. If you do buy whole mushrooms, you can chop them yourself and get them to be about the consistency of the turkey. Okay, so once the mushrooms are ready to go, we'll saute them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they get golden brown. So I'll just grab the mushrooms and our olive oil and head to the stove. Okay, we've let these cool about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna start combining them with the turkey. Mushrooms are gonna add a good dose of fiber, B vitamins, and potassium to our recipe. They also add a 5th taste called umami, which is directly translated to delicious, and it can be described as adding a meaty and savory flavor. Just blend it with your hands until everything's pretty well combined. All right, now I'm gonna form them into 4 patties. Okay, these are ready to be cooked. You can throw them on the grill, you can bake them, or put them on the stovetop. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook them on the stove. All right, these are looking good. Regardless of your cooking method, make sure you cook each burger to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. That's best for food safety. And I'm gonna start by serving myself one. I'm going to load one up on my whole wheat sandwich thin here. I like to use these because they're a little less bread than a whole bun. I like to use lettuce, tomato, and onion to get another dose of veggies because I look for that any way I can. You can also add in your own favorite toppings. Now, if you're not a big turkey burger fan, another plant-forward option are our Nature's Promise veggie burgers. You can find them in the frozen aisle. I really like the chipotle flavored one. This is looking pretty good. Thanks for joining me and learning how to make your own blended burger. I hope you enjoy them with your family the next time you have burger night. Find the recipe online at stopandshop.com/nutrition. You can also find our links to sign up for free online webinars and other resources. Look forward to seeing you next week for Wellness Wednesday.